In this tutorial, we'll show you how to publish your first website using Surge in just a few minutes. The first step is to check your Node.js and NPM versions. Once you've confirmed they're installed, run npm install gsurge to install Surge globally. If you don't have Node.js or NPM installed yet, check out my other video where I walk you through the installation process. Now, open your terminal and cd into your projects folder. Once you're inside, type Surge and press enter. You'll be asked to enter your email and password. This will either log you in or create a new Surge account. After logging in, Surge will guide you through a few simple prompts, such as confirming the project directory and choosing a domain name for your site. You can accept the default suggestions or customize them based on your preference. In this project, the index.html file contains the main structure of the website, and the style CSS file is used to style it. These are the core files that will be deployed when we publish the site using Surge. Now, you'll be asked to choose a domain name. This is the web address where your site will be live. For example, you can type webpage demo Surge sh. If it's available, Surge will use it for your website. After Surge finishes deploying your site, it will give you a domain link. Copy that link, paste it into your browser, and you'll see your website. The website has been deployed and is now accessible through your Surge domain.